This is Potensic Atom drone, and in today's video I'll show how you can check the battery information and live specifications on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the camera view of the Potensic Pro app, then go into settings by tapping at these three dots, enter the safety section, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and then tap at the battery information. And here you'll see how much drone battery you have left. You'll see what is the battery temperature currently, what is its electric current value, what is the battery's voltage, and how many charging cycles it went through. In my case, that's 0, since I haven't charged a battery so far. Didn't have a chance to be fair. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.